Hey, what's up guys, I'm Jules from SimTech and today I'm back with another video. So today we are unboxing Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I bought this for 14,000 from Flipkart. It is black color. And wait 1 second, just let me get this. Yeah, so here's the device. Let's keep it aside. Wait just 1 second. Yeah, so let's open it. Yeah, so here is the device. It's front, it's from back. It is matte black. Let's keep it aside and check other documents. Oh, nice. We also get a cover with it. It's a semi-transparent black color. Okay. These are some other documents. We get it inside. Yeah, here's the charger. This phone supports fast charging, but this charger is not a fast charger. Okay, here are with the. It's not a Type C, it's a Type B connector. Okay, we have a SIM ejector tool. That's it. Let's keep it aside and have a look at the phone. So let me peel this off. Yeah. The display is a 10:9 and it really looks nice in black color. Wait, hold on. Till then, let me just remove all the stickers from back. Yeah, as you can see, the dual cameras, it is so similar to iPhone 10, but this phone really looks nice. At the bottom we have a headphone jack and a Type B connector. At the side we have SIM ejector tool. At the top we have an air blaster, and that's so good. So let's check out our first boot. So here it is. Let me just lower the lightness a little more. Yeah, now it's okay. As you can see, the interface is same, but the device is really so smooth as compared to other Xiaomi devices. Oh, we already got a system update. It's currently running on Android 7.1.1. It's the 4GB RAM variant. Now let's look at the camera. The shutter speed I noticed is really very fast as compared to all other devices like Mi A1 and others. It's really very fast. Yeah, as you can see the look from back. As you can see, it is a video sample recorded from Redmi Note Pro. Now let me run and see the stability. As you can see, it is really stable. Let's see some camera samples as well. As you can see, the portrait mode works really well on this device. The edges are so clear as compared to Mi A1 or any other Xiaomi device. This is a camera sample from back camera, and this one is from front portrait mode, which really works well. Hope you guys liked that video. If you like it, please do share it with your friend and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you